Alright guys, we're in the California Delta this morning. Supposed to get pretty warm today. We're going to start out throwing some frogs and some reaction baits, and as it heats up we're going to see if we can do a little bit of punching. So stick with me, we'll see what we can get. Missed that one. That fish. There's a good frog fish for the morning. Choked it. Not a bad fish to start. Alright guys, so today we're just throwing a snag-proof topwater frog. Got it rigged up on a 7.6 Abu Garcia Veritas, medium heavy, with the Abu Garcia Revo SX. I just got this rod and reel this week, so I'm out here testing it out and see how she does. Casts great. I can work a frog real nice with it. So let's see if we can get some more. These look good. What a bad little frogfish. Oh, came off. This little guy. That's frog fishing though. Can't get them all. I got one more. Not a bad little punch fish. A little punch fish.